Becky Thoris and Mateo Cabogi. Time for Becky's Business Beat. And joining me today, Nikkie Steen, Program Director with the Wound and Hyperbaric Healing Center in Windham, Minnesota. Hi, Nikki.
Good morning, Becky.
You've been out there with your wound care awareness campaign. This is something you're doing in June. And on the road, you've logged like thousands of miles, or what have you been up to?
Yes. We have been on the road, and, we got a little delayed with that COVID period, trying to get out and talking to our providers, different physicians and oral surgeon groups, all about our wound care. And some of the reasons, that people do have wounds are from pressure ulcers, diabetic foot ulcers, venous ulcers, surgeries, traumas. And we know there's over 7 million people in the U.S. that have wounds. And so we spend a week in June going out and talking to all of our providers about what wound care awareness is and the fact that we are a comprehensive wound care center that is set up to take care of all different kinds of wounds.
You do, and you use a lot of different methods to take care of those wounds there.
We do. When our patients come in under our service, we really look hard at that wound and figure out how it started, and that really gives us a clue how to treat it. We can use very specialized dressings, and we are using our hyperbaric therapy as well. And hyperbaric therapy is a nice way to get some good oxygenation down to wounds and treat them that way.
Right, really accelerate that healing process. And you've been reaching out to some new providers. Let's talk about that a little bit.
Yes, I think as we look at our area, we know that there is a prevalence of oral cancers and cancers of the jaw and neck. And one of the things our HBO chambers can help with is for those that have an infection in the jawbone, or if they've gone through radiation and have radiation damage to the jawbone. So we have some protocols that we put patients in for a certain amount of treatment, possibly prior to the oral surgery or the dental implant. And then we have them come back after the surgery to have a few more treatments just to finish the process up. And we know what that does is that HBO opens up those blood lines and nerve lines and really gets that tissue ready for the surgery and for the healing process that follows.
So oral surgeons are referring patients to you then in terms of that sort of treatment?
Yes, absolutely.
Huh.
Absolutely.
Interesting. Well, so many things that you can do there to help people, and people can come directly to you. Let's make sure that people know how to get a hold of you there, Nikki.
Yes, the best way to get a hold of us is to call us at 507-831-0686, or you can find us on the web at www.wyndhamareahealth.org.
Okay, and lots of great information there. WyndhamAreaHealth.org, the website, and easy to find there at the Windham Hospital in Windham, Minnesota.
Yes, we are.
Okay, thanks so much. Hey, enjoy your weekend coming up, and have a great weekend, and we'll chat with you again next week.
All right, sounds great. Thanks, Becky.
There's Nikkie Steen, the Program Director with the Wound and Hyperbaric Healing Center in Windham. Visit WyndhamAreaHealth.org for details. It's Becky's Business Beat on campus.